All right, and we're live. It's Eric with Option Edge. We had another down day, major down day. Not only has growth been getting hammered, but finally the major markets, the S&P 500. I'm looking at the SPY here. Made a major break below a major support level at the 410 mark. We're now sitting at 405. Russell 2000, IWM. IWM also made a major move to the downside. We'll also look at QQQ. Also a major move to the downside. And then, if you didn't see this, here's something to be aware of. Tesla, this is a tweet by Elon Musk. Tesla has suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin. We are concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the worst emissions of any fuel. So yeah, basically it goes on to say that Bitcoin mining is energy exhaustive, but he did say that Tesla will not be selling any Bitcoin. So that's an interesting tweet. So besides that, so Bitcoin's been down. Let's check out Bitcoin. Let's use Coinbase. That's it. But Bitcoin's right now underneath 50K, but we're right at the bottom of that Bollinger Band. You can see it's getting bought up. If you look at this candle, you're seeing a lot of, this looks like, I would put money that this is actually a good buy zone here. So that's going. Let's check out Ethereum. Ethereum's still going strong. Wow. So yeah, that's what the major markets are doing currently. So one thing I wanted to single out was, so here's a trade that I was thinking about making. I didn't take it, but I might put it in now, try and put a market trade in and see if I can get a fill tomorrow morning. So this line here is the 200-day moving average, and every time OKTA, this is OKTA we're looking at, has dropped below the 200-day moving average, we've seen a lot of volatility. So let's take a look at our back test in OKTA. This is Shopify and OKTA. Shopify actually broke its 200-day moving average as well today. But I'm looking at OKTA. We're looking at, this is the 50-50 delta calls and puts. Let's check out the 43, because that's what I'm looking at on the options chain. See how that looks in terms of return. All right, 8-0. Let's click this. 8-0, 426 return. Never a loss. Average win 53%. That's not a bad historical back test. Let's check it out on Tasty Trade. Let's check out the table. So I'm looking at, on Tasty Trade, the May 28th put at 222.5, and then buying the call at 232.5. If you can see, that's the delta is 43. Delta's 43. And then, so our net delta is essentially zero, so we're delta neutral. So if the stock moves up or down, it doesn't matter. The way we make money is based on an increase volatility spike. So my only concern with this is that volatility right now, our IV rank is at 82%. So that makes me want to say maybe I should hold off on this, but we can, it's up to you. So let's just take a look at this trade also on E-Trade. This is what it looks like. But remember, it's not so much the price move, it's more about the volatility increasing. So if we want, we would put the trade on. Here's me putting the trade on in Robinhood. So we're going to select 28th. And we looked up in Tasty Trade, we looked up strikes we want. So we were looking at the 32.5 call, and then buying the 232, or excuse me, 222.5 put. Which, so this is a little expensive, but since it's delta neutral, we don't have to worry too much about losing money quickly. So, well, there's always risks. So, yeah, if you want to put on this trade, that's something you can do. Like I said, the back test, let's take a look at that back test again. Back test results are really good. So, that's it for everyone. That's it for me. Hopefully tomorrow and the rest of the week is better for the markets. Adios.